Hey boys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be cheating inside of Fortnite using a provider known as Virix. They've been crushing the competition lately and I left all their links down below in the description, and we're going to be dropping some high code games in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to buy this cheat, so without further ado, let's hop right into today's video. So once you get to their website down below in the description, click on choose your game, and then once here, click on the Fortnite cheats, and then you're going to see the Onyx FN. Click on that, and then you're going to see all of the payment plans you can buy from right now, as well as a full description of the menu and features that this comes with. So now we can go ahead and buy it, and let's hop directly into a match, boys. Alright boys, now that we're in the game, as you can see, we have everything that we have purchased. We have all of the features, the menu, as you can see. So let's hop right into a game, and I'll see you guys in there. Dead. Let's go. Dead. Dead. Dead as well. Let's go, boys. Got one more guy over here. Dead. Let's go. Keep moving. Dead. Let's go. I don't know what he was doing, boys. Dead. Let's go. Dead. Let's go. Yep, there he is. Dead. Let's go, boys. We're going crazy right now. Whoa. On top. Dead. Let's go. Dead. Let's go, boys. That's gonna wrap it up, boys. If you did enjoy, make sure to check out Virix and all their links down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.